This is my Sheru. Come here, Sheru. Come. This is my Sheru, Alaskan Malamute. I know that everyone missing Sheru. Sheru is a good boy. He's doing well. And he wasn't happy that we lost the channel. And he's saying, yes, shaken. Other hand. Other hand. Good boy. So I'm going to post videos, new videos of him. He's a good boy. He's healthy. Okay, go. Today, I got my channel back. Sidhu DIY channel has been hacked. And how did I retrieve the channel back? I did have a posted a detailed video for my easy steps. Please check it out. So I'm really happy that I got my channel back. And I'm going to start posting the DIY videos again. Like always, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I'm going to see you soon with a new video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. Sheru has learned a new trick. Can we show the trick? Sheru, give me your tail. Give me your tail. No. He learned a new trick. I ask him, give me tail and let's go. Let's go. We're gonna walk. Whenever we go to walk, I tell him that, Sheru, give me your tailie. I said tail. Sheru, give me tail. So I basically tell him, give me your tailie. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Now he's saying, Dad, I listen to you, but it doesn't mean that you. Okay. I'm not saying anything. Good boy. Okay. So I'm not saying anything to you. You're a good boy. Let's go. Give me your tail and let's walk. Come on, get up.